As you know, there's almost 300 submissions, and they whittled it down to the top 10, and they asked them for photos and different things that we submitted. They then whittled it down to the top 5. There's 8 judges, and in the Facebook vote counted as 1 judge. So we're waiting on the results. We're going to wait momentarily. This will report to the Hotel Association is going to make that announcement. Wait for that phone call. I do have some champagne here that we're going to pop as a symbolic gesture of if we do win, and then we'll talk about it. So anyway, I know everybody's been putting in a lot of hard work. I know everybody's been waiting on pins and news. I've been seeing all the emails and Facebook tweets and everything going back and forth. So we just should know any second now.
But while we're waiting for the phone call, I just want to say, y'all are winners just to be in the top finalists. That is absolutely fantastic. I've just been excited ever since I learned. Let me see just a second. Hello.
Here we go.
Hi, this is Linda. Hi. Hi, Dave. 4 points is the winner.
Huh?
You're pretty good at this race.
Yeah, but I can make it fly.
Alright, let's see.
Watch it. No. Watch that. You gotta shake it first.
No.
Don't do it at me.
Here we go. Hey, how about when this pops, a great big cheers for 4 points by Sheriff of Biloxi against Boulevard. Okay, y'all ready? 1, 2. All right, signature. We're waiting for you. Biloxi Southern Hospitality is going to just get even better with y'all arriving on the Mississippi Gulf Coast.
Worldwide. He's Mississippi based. He's in Jackson or Madison.